Okay. It is 4:40. This is putting in an alternator. What happened here?
This is the hardest part.
Yeah, you holding that's not helping.
Okay.
I was gonna list off all the things we gotta do, but now I can't think of them because I'm concentrating on this. To get in the thing. Okay. So we're gonna unbolt this, and then this thing. I go like, what was it? That I think.
Yeah, because this one on top, and then that one on top there.
Yeah. And loosen the tensioner. Take the belt off. Loosen the power steering fluid. Which, let's get the belt on. Okay. Now, where does this?
Probably bolt it in first before you put the belt on there. Or maybe that wouldn't make more sense. I don't know.
I'm trying to remember where freaking bolts to.
Do you want me to keep recording?
I cut out.
Okay.
I said when he